Shandeshi, taba go robala le monada ra e tseba wena. Shandeshi o robala le monada wena le buka kwa zaneni o tsamaya mo gae for 3 days wena. O tsamaya mo gae for 3 days ene ra tsa re monada ke ena go lasitšeng gore o reke koloi ela go lasa ka 200,000 ene ra tsa re le phone ya go e o e berekisang la mafelelo o e reketse ke monada. Shandeshi ra go tsebela wena koloi ya go e rekile gona tše o lasitše ke monada. Ene re a tseba gore wena le monada le tsamaya ngaka e tee ga le dia di-event di sa tlale go nwe tše di-event tša gore di tlale wa tsa re le la cricket club e berekile ke ngaka ya monada ya go bereka di-one man show tša monada. Shandeshi re a go tsebela wena le tsamaya ngaka e tee wena le monada wena marreta kokwago mona bona ngakanyane.
Yo, you guys, currently trending today would have to be, of course, Likompo artist Shandesh and, of course, her girlfriend Mimi Lyons. So here's the story. There is a lady on TikTok who goes by the name of Barbie, you guys, and let me tell you, she is calling out Shandesh's girlfriend Mimi Lyons and claims that she was in a relationship, or rather she is in a relationship, a secret relationship with Mimi Lyons, you guys. Let me tell you, she came with a screenshot recordings and conversations of her and Mimi Lyons to prove that indeed she is in a relationship. She is tired, of being somebody that Mimi Lyons cries to whenever Shandeshi Amuchita, the girls, you guys. The self-made Barbie confirms what Tsaka has been saying all along. She claims that Shandesh is dating men, you guys. Yes, you heard me right. She claims that Shandesh is not a lesbian and Ujola Lebanna and Mimi Lyons is only there for the sake of the brand Yash and Dash, because the two have been together. So that image is for the public. She says that Mimi Lyons is there for the money. As a matter of fact, she is very much broke. The reason why she's staying with Shandesh is that Shandesh provides everything for her, you guys. And let me just say, people on social media were saying that Tsaka has been telling us this all along, and we didn't listen because Tsaka did a video, Shandesh, I think it was back in February. Tsaka Udrile, that video which I inserted at the beginning of this February, you guys, whereby he claimed rather that Shandesh was having love with not only Kim Manada but also Tribe, who is also a Lokompo musician. Tsaka accused Shandesh of having sex with King Manada because King Manada was the one who assisted her in terms of her music career by Misha King, and the name of the Ngaka Koko Basiwe, who helped career Shandesh in terms of like filling up stadiums. He claims that had it not been for Koko Pasiwe, then Shandesh's career would have been, dead, basically. He also claims that Shandesh would be gone for weeks from Mimi Lyons. They would book into like a hotel, King Manada and of course Shandesh. They would book in a hotel in Limpopo and spend weeks there. He also claimed at the time that the car that Shandesh had bought Utushishiki King Manada. King Manada gave Shandesh over 200,000 rands so that Alase for the car, you guys. The heartful self-made Barbie went onto her TikTok and basically calling out Mimi Lyons, saying that Mutoa Owe is not a lesbian, nor is she a bisexual. She is just going to continue playing you, and you expect me to just be there for you whenever she chases you away. Guys, let me just go ahead and read a few of what she wrote. She said, see me date again. People will use you for that convenience because they saw you have a good heart. Do you know driving from Sandton to Polokwane and back to fetch someone and they stay in your house, you iron for them and you wash when their ex refuses with their clothes only for them to go running back when they get called for a family meeting. But everyone knows they have been getting cheated on. If you want to sit and be a fool, you could have left me out of it. Of course, she was referring to Umimi and Shade's situation, saying that, the only reason why they had gotten back together was because of a family meeting, which the family held to make them sort out their differences. She says that she's tired of just, being plan B, basically. I don't do people's people. This relationship has been done since last year. What I hate is someone that will treat me like SHIT when they think it's convenient. Don't get me wrong. Mimi is a good person involved with someone that's not fully gay. They pretend for the sake of the brand. And I kept quiet. We all know the other one because of her. My problem is when you think I'll fetch you from Polokwane and every time you find out and she thinks it's convenient, you will be a midnight staring and leave my house at night because she holds all the cards. Provoke me if you want me to post more proof. It's either you stay in your miserable relationship and continue acting, or you actually become honest and stop playing people like me because you're also getting played and being silenced by fancy things. I've said it before and I'll say it again. Play me if you want to see my other side chooses. And of course, that was Mimi Lyons' side chick girlfriend or self-made Barbie who said that she is hurtful of being a doormat. What do you guys think? Engage your thoughts in the comment section down below. Of course, guys, like this video. Do make sure that you do subscribe if you haven't yet done so, guys. I will be seeing you in the next video. Bye.